Hey everybody, we're here at Equip Expo. I'm here with Ben from Toro, and we are talking about blowers, 3 new blowers. And Ben, correct me if I'm wrong, but these are geared towards residential use, correct?
They are, yeah, they are.
Walk us through it.
Yeah, absolutely. So new for 24, we have our 900 CFM brushless blower. It's the most powerful residential blower on the market. Toro's been in blowers for a long time, right? And one of the things we've done with this blower is we took the core aerodynamic elements of some of work we had done on our PowerJet blower and infused them into our 60 volt system. And we spent a lot of time crafting this air system to be able to get a lot of air through in a little amount of time.
And won't suck my pants in?
Or? It doesn't suck your pants in, right. So that's exactly why we are getting air from the back.
So 60 volt battery,
Yep.
What kind of a run time would you expect? And you know, I know when we talk about run time, it's like nail it on high and let it go.
Yeah.
But that's not how people use blowers. It's feathering, it's on, it's off. How are you testing it? What are you calling runtime?
A great question.
Yeah.
Batteries or blowers more than any other category have a range and runtime.
Yeah.
So this is 120 minutes under what we call like a light application.
Okay.
Right. So on boost, meaning you push the boost button, right? You're gonna get 10 minutes. Right. You're gonna get 10 minutes. But with under a light application, you can get more than 120 minutes.
So probably a variable speed trigger as well.
It's got
so
a feather it.
Yep. It's got a grass clippings or something.
Exactly. Variable speed trigger. It's got cruise control. And new for this year on both of these blowers, rather than our previous, is a one-tap turbo. So you push to turn the turbo on. Yeah. You push to turn it off.
Okay. And then just different CFMs, price ranges?
Yeah, so this is $349 for the 900 CFM. One other key feature of this blower is it's also built for the cold. It's built for cold weather.
Okay.
We cold weather drop test this blower to the same temperatures and the same standards that we do our snow blowers.
Like
exactly, yeah. So that's a key feature.
So this is a more durable, more powerful blower. Does it come kitted with a battery and a charger?
Exactly, yes. It comes kitted with a 4 amp hour battery. So the runtime numbers we discussed, that's with the 4 amp hour battery.
4 amp hour battery. Yep. And then these guys, what are these priced at? And availability?
Yeah, so these are available now, $349. This is available, it's $279. It will be available in the spring. And this is available now as well.
It is available now.
This comes with a 2.5.
Very, very interesting. And this runs off of your existing battery platform.
Yes, right. All the FlexForce tools work with all the FlexForce batteries. They're all interchangeable. One thing you'll notice is our new product will have black batteries. Yeah. Right. So those are the same sauce. Same
everything, just a different look.
Just different look.
Better.
They'll work. Yep. With all the new products, you'll start seeing those black batteries.
Awesome.
Come with the new product.
Hey, well, thanks for having us here at the Toro booth.
Thank you.
And thank you, everybody.